What's up, guys? This is Jimmy from StockKingOptions.com, and today we're going to go over our ideas posted on TradingView.com. There's a couple ideas that we've posted here. Today specifically, we're going to go over this bearish trend line for BA Boeing on the 5-minute time frame. Just wanted to show here, so we called out this idea on May 13th, 2020. We saw this downtrend trend line here going from this point to this point here, kept drawing it, and we want to show you what happens. Kind of called out some here, looking for BA to hit our blue trend line sometime this week to continue its downtrend. Hopefully we're able to catch it on the way down. Also on FlowAlgo, we saw 6 put orders for expiration 5/15 on that certain day. So that was 2 days. So May 13th, and we saw 6 orders for a 5/15 expiration date. These are also mentioned that these are strategies that we use to call out options on our trading channels. We also provided a update after, but let's look at the chart. So we saw this blue trend line here. We drew this here, 1 point, 2 points. So we're looking for the price to hit this point at one more time here. So if we take a look, this actually lets us fast forward through time. The next day, it actually dropped and rose again. Once it tested this trend line here, we got this 2 candle bearish engulfing, and exactly hit this trend line and dropped. Actually, we did call this out, and from this move we actually made 80% return just on this drop, and this only took 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes here. So you could imagine putting $1,000 on this and gaining $800 in about 20 minutes. Then once it started rising again, it hit this blue trend line again. We got our entry signal here and it had a nice little drop again. And on this trade, this movement here, we earned 30%. Once this trend line crossed, this trend line becomes it was resistance, now it becomes support. And as you can see, it touches, if you keep this blue line going here, touches, jumps, touches here, and we expect to jump here. But just wanted to call out how we saw this 2 candle pattern here with this trend line, and we called out this drop here and this drop here. So these are just simple strategies that you could use. Hopefully you could go out and find some. Just want to show an example of how we find these things, how we find these trades to call them out. So again, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We will be showing more examples of what we call out, and thanks for taking the time. Have a good one.